The US President Donald Trump's plan to displace the people of Gaza to neighboring countries equates to a war crime, according to many international lawyers. The US President's plan is to both control or, in quotes, have a long-term ownership position, close quotes, of Gaza, which happens to be an internationally recognized as occupied territory. And the US plan is also to relocate the approximately 2 million Palestinian residents to neighboring countries, all with the aim to redevelop Gaza into what is referred to by the US as the Riviera of the Middle East. The US president believes US oversight over Gaza would bring about stability and prosperity to this part of the Middle East, together with the possibility of deploying American troops on the ground to enforce that US vision of Gaza. But international law provides rules on the displacement of civilian populations. Article 17 of the Additional Protocol 2 to the Geneva Convention states, the displacement of the civilian population shall not be ordered for reasons related to the conflict unless the security of the civilians involved or imperative military reasons so demand. Should such displacement have to be carried out, all possible measures shall be taken in order that the civilian population may be received under satisfactory conditions of shelter, hygiene, health, safety, and nutrition. The protocol continues, civilians shall not be compelled to leave their own territory for reasons connected with the conflict. Now, this provision explicitly prohibits the forced movement of civilians unless absolutely necessary for their security or imperative military reasons. But the forcible displacement of a population is also considered a war crime in international law. Article 8 of the Rome Statute states ordering the displacement of the civilian population for reasons related to the conflict unless the security of the civilians involved or imperative military reasons so demand. Therefore, to forcibly relocate Gaza's residents without imperative military necessity or their consent would contravene this statute, constituting a war crime, according to many international experts. Not surprisingly, there has been support but also fierce opposition to this American plan. The Israeli Prime Minister has praised the proposal, suggesting it could change history, and the plan has also faced widespread condemnations. The United Nations Human Rights Office states that such forced deportation breaches international humanitarian law. Palestinian leaders have rejected the proposals, asserting that Gaza is an integral part of the Palestinian state. And countries such as the UK, Germany, France, and Turkey have also expressed strong opposition, emphasizing that forced displacement violates international law. President Trump's Gaza plan certainly raises profound legal and ethical concerns. The forced displacement of civilians without imperative reasons not only breaches international humanitarian law, but also risks exacerbating tensions in an already volatile region, undermines international law, harms the civilian population, and prevents a peaceful resolution to what is now an over-century-old conflict. Feel free to comment, follow, like, and share.